Welcome to the Resource Queue, a lesson planning library where you can tap all of your resources into lessons. So I created this lesson for my Spanish class and I tapped in these expressions. So this week the password is es obvio. Now this is very simple. All I did was type in that, and this is a list about how to use, this is a link about how to use passwords in the classroom and different words you can use. So he has a whole bunch of stuff. Usually those links are there to help. And then I can mark that it was completed and move on to the next one. So all my passwords are in here, and I don't need to look at what I'm going to do next. And I keep marking them done. So the next thing we're going to do in class after they do their password is the weather. So I can choose which one I'd like to do. And we're going to do Caracas, Venezuela. And this is just linked to weather.com in Spanish. And you can do this for any grade. You can say, this is, you can just say, hoy está nublado. And then with other grades, you can say the season, you could say the temperature. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do, but it also brings in culture because you could talk about if they're in the mountains or wherever they are. Then you can mark it done. The next thing on my lesson plan is it also links to Google Drive. And so this is just something that a teacher posted on a Facebook group. And I copied it and put the link in. So I'll just put this on the board and we'll go over this. And after that, the next reading that we have is, this is another one that a teacher shared, and I could play this for the kids. So obviously this is a reading sample. So I added the that I can read, connect some words to the standards, and I can see what the Utah standards want for this and go over that and just say, okay, this is what I'm trying to fulfill, and did I do it? And I can mark that I have. So that's the lesson. So let's say I want to end with a song. Usually I have a fun thing at the end for the kids. So I'm going to go to, where's my songs? Songs. And we'll do one about a pet. So children's songs. And let's just tap them all in. So all of these are now in a queue in the lesson plan. And I actually want to do bingo because it's about a pet. Let me just see if there's anything else about a pet in here. Oh, La Cucaracha. Oops, I meant to put it at the top. So I'm going to drag this to the top. We'll just say, who has a cucaracha as a pet? So anyway, I'm not going to bring it all the way to the top. So then we have our bingo song in there, and I'll just show this on the board. You could choose whatever link that you'd like to put on it. I like to put the links that have the lyrics written on them so the kids can see it. So, and this, I know this is really childish, and I present it like this. And the kids, they're used to this kind of stuff, so they like it. You know, the media stuff. So then I'll just mark it done, and I'll probably want to do it for a while, a week or so, you know, just every so often, so they get used to it. So I'm going to show you how you go back and we'll do a different lesson. So up here, you can choose your language that you're doing. And if you have German 2, you can duplicate everything in there and call it German 2. So let's go to German. And all of these are the German tools. Now, you'll notice that the activities are the same for every language because they're just in English. So we have movie talk, brain break, assessments, communicative games. One of my favorites is virtual reality. I haven't collected a lot for German, but I wanted you to